Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty. Today I'm going to do another experiment, like I always like to do experiments. Oh, before I do that, I wanted to show you a prior pour that I did. This is a swipe and tilt. Dried really nice. Anyway, I'm going to do try to do this same type of swipe and tilt using my Sheleeart technique recipe, but I'm going to try to get a pearl base and do a swipe over that. Now, I know Nikki D did that. Awesome. You got to check her out. She's amazing. I will have her link down in the description. But I think our recipe is a little bit different as far as the colors. I'm not sure. So my recipe for all my colors and my swipe, which I'm using an Amsterdam black with Australian Floetrol, is down in the description. It's always down there. Sometimes I have to thin these out depending on what I'm doing, what technique I'm doing. But I think what I have down there is what I'm using right now. So my base today is going to be, I'm using Extreme Sheen Obsidian. Okay, I'm using this one as I'm going to pour that and doing a puddle pour. Pouring this on first. Then I'm just using regular Artist Loft white with Floetrol. So these are just both mixed with Floetrol. And the Extreme Sheen should give me some pearls coming up through the white. And then I'm going to do a swipe, do what I usually do. Layer the paints, do a swipe over this, and then tilt. I don't have a spinner here, so I'm still in Kona. So I'm going to check it out. I've never done it before. I've done the pearls, and if you look back, you'll see I have a whole pearl playlist. But I've never done the pearls like this, using Extreme Sheen and not my normal recipe that I use. So let's get going and see what happens. Well, first let's go over the colors. Well, I'll do it as I put them on. I might have to work pretty quick. This goes over here. I'm going to be swiping with, I think you have to have a pretty light touch because the base is going to be thinner than I usually do. So this is just photo paper cut up, and it's sort of slick on one side, so I'm hoping that'll be enough to give it a good swipe. Okay, let's see what happens here. I don't even know if this is enough. This is an 8x10 canvas. This is the consistency I'm using. I'm hoping that's not too thick. I'm hoping. So I guess we'll see. All right, so I'm just going to pour it right in the middle. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and pour the white right on top of that. Ooh, that looks like a lot of paint. Now, I thought the white was the same consistency, but I don't know. So I'm going to get going here pretty quick. I'm going to pour this on. This is PBO Iridescent Blue-Green. This is PBO Violet Blue Iridescent. This is True Blue by Deco Art. It's a satin True Blue, and Handy Art Phthalo Blue. These are a little thick. I hope this isn't too thick, guys. And then this is Aztec Gold by Sargent. Yeah, it's a little thick too. Okay, well, if my paints are too thick. I don't know if this will happen. So I'm just going to pour my cell activator on this tile, dip it with my photo paper, make sure I get plenty on there, and let's just do it. Go for it. I'm not going to wipe it off. I'm just going to get a new one every time. Start over here this time. Okay, I should have hit it real quick. Okay, the pink sort of disappeared. Sort of a bummer. All right, I'm going to stretch it and let's see what happens here. I have to get some of this off, unfortunately. Yeah, I think the paint was just too thick. Darn it. Now I see a goober in there. Let me get that. Maybe not. Let's just keep going here. Pink is almost all gone. Yeah, I think the paints were a little too thick, but we really won't know until the end here. Oh, there is something there. Dang it. Tilting it back to cover that up here. All right, let's see. I like it. I see some pearls starting to happen. I do have something right there. But it won't let me pick it up. Okay, I'm getting some pearls coming. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and put it on time lapse. And I will be back as we see this change. Colors are nice and bright. So let's see what happens here. Okay, everyone, that's about it. There's some, I think I would have, if I would have just tilted more off, they would have come up. If I do it the base any thinner, I think they're really going to go wonky. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. I like it anyway. Please tell me what you think. I see a snake head right there. Appreciate you watching. Aloha. Bye.